Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a page to Wikipedia. Now, adding a page to Wikipedia is more of a marathon than a sprint, so while the technical how-to is simple, the editorial how-to is where the most people hit a wall. Wikipedia has a very strict standards for notability and verifiability. So the pre-check is crucial. It has to have significant coverage, independent sources, and also avoid conflict of interest. So first thing you will have to do is to create an account. As you can see, I have my account already created. If you don't have it already created, just go right here to create an account. Just go to wikipedia.org and click create account right here. Here, choose your username, password, and email address and click on create your account. Once your account is created, you can go right here to your username, click on it, and go to user page. Here you can make some edits. You will have options to choose from: visual editing or source editing. But keep in mind that while you can edit anonymously, you cannot create new pages or move drafts to the live site without an account that is auto-confirmed. So that means that it's typically 4 days old and it's having made at least 10 edits. Edit is basically where you go to someone's different Wikipedia page and you edit something, and the edit is approved, and if you have 10 of them, that means that you are approved to create your own page. So basically that means that you will have to practice first. Do not start with a new page, find a few existing articles, fix typos and add references or update a fact. This builds your reputation in the system. So here are some key rules to remember. It has to have a neutral point of view, so never use promotional language. Instead of saying, "She is a brilliant award-winning artist," say something like, "She received the award name in 2024. So another criteria is no original research. So do not include your own theories, personal observations, or unpublished facts. If it's not a source, it doesn't go into article. And the last one is to be patient. The review process via articles for creation can take anywhere from a few days to several months, depending on the backlog of volunteer editors. So you now know that it is not as simple as it seems, but at least you know how to technically do it and you know some information. Hope it helps. If it did, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, and bye-bye.